We got the Jill Skype going in the background, you guys. Cheese, eggs, bacon. Let me turn that down. Because you know copyright, girl. It's Saturday morning, and I think it's like almost 9 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to eat and go to the gym. And yeah, my friend, he wants to go to the gym with me. Usually you guys like to go to the gym by myself because it's just easier for me to focus and get stuff done. But I think I'm gonna go to the gym with him. I need to like shave. I'm about to have a protein shake first, and I'm just like not even, my energy is not up right now because like I'm kind of just waking up, but I'm trying this weekend vlog thing, so yeah. I really don't have too much planned for this weekend, and it's really raining and gross outside right now, but yeah.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking.
I didn't vlog in the gym, I'm sorry, but sorry about that. I'm going to a thrift store because y'all know I love me a good thrifting venture, honey. So I'm gonna go thrifting. As you can see, I'm not wearing a cute outfit at all tonight. Like, I'm just not feeling it. Usually, you know, when I'm getting ready to go out, like if I'm out for the day, I would try to make an effort to look cute, or to like, you know, not even necessarily do my makeup, but I'll try to make an effort to like put on a cute outfit or something, because you know, you never know who you could be around. You never know who you could see, and you know, if you stay ready, you never have to get ready. But at the same time, today I just was like, you know, like when I got in the shower, I just want to put on my comfy clothes. Like, my granddaddy gave me these they're like house shoes. I don't know if they're house shoes or if they're slippers, but they're by the North Face and they're really comfortable. And so I'm wearing those right now, and some sweatpants, a Champion sweatsuit, and my North Face, and this hat, and this blanket that I be wearing like a scarf. I went to the gym this morning, right? And I went with a friend of mine, and no, I was trying to figure out like if I was going to use a different word to describe him, but no, he's a friend of mine. And I went with a friend of mine, and basically, you know, he cool or whatever, but sometimes we be hanging out and he'll just like litter. Like, he'll just throw something out the window, like I don't know, it could be anything, like a can, or it could be a protein shake carton. Like, if you get the little protein shakes, you drink it, he'll just throw it out the window. And it bothers me so much, and I brought it up before, like, why do you, like, don't do that. And today, we didn't get into it about it, but we had like, for the first time, we had like a back and forth about it, because sometimes I could do it, and I was like, I'd be like, stop the car, and I'll get out and go pick it up. Like, I don't feel like that's OD, because the planet is literally dying, you know what I'm saying? Like, people like you are the reason why the planet is like literally dying and like doomed, because you guys do stuff like that. And then when you throw stuff in the drain, like when you throw stuff in the street like that, it washes down the sewer and gets to like, you know, a drain. It basically ends up in the river or ocean, basically, and an animal is choking on it. I don't know, that just bothers me. Like, I don't have like, you know, the biggest green footprint, but, or like the least biggest green footprint. I don't know what I was trying to say. Girl, I care about the planet. Okay, you guys, I'm in here, and I don't know, I'm not really having a whole lot of luck today. Thrifting is like my peace, my rest and relaxation time. So I found this tie, this cute little gray tie. I like ties. I recently gave someone I know some ties because they needed some. They didn't really have any, but if you work in like a professional corporate setting, like, it's nice to have like a little good variety of ties. You know, as a young gentleman, you can never have too many ties. You guys don't see a whole lot of that side of my style because I don't show it as much on my YouTube, but I do I do dress like that as well. I do dress a little bit more, I don't even know what you would call that, like gentleman style, like classic, smart, that smart look. I do dress like that sometimes. I always look at the bags when I come here because I love bags. They're like my favorite. I saw this and thought this was so cute. It says Paris, France on it, and it's like a black sweater. The sleeves don't come all the way down. They're like it's like a half sleeve, but I just like it. It's like kind of oversized. It has shoulder pads in it because it's a woman's. A lot of women's garments that you thrift have shoulder pads in them, but you can just cut them out. That's what I do. This is how I wear this. Okay, black pants or some kind of black bottom, and then like off the shoulder. So like off the shoulder, like that asymmetrical situation. Beat face, black pants, a black bag, gold accessories to match this like gold lettering. But I kind of like this. You guys know I've been to Paris once, and it is my desire to go back eventually. So you know, might as well have some gear, right? Okay, you guys. We have a cart full of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys this. This is a tracksuit. And surprisingly, the pants are actually long enough. So that never happens. The thing about thrifting, especially with me, is that I spend time in here. Like I don't come in here and just do this and then leave. Like this takes me a long time. Because you have to look to find nice stuff, like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's in any store, honestly. Like, you could be in Bloomingdale's, but you need to look in order to find, like, the cute stuff. And a lot of people, they'd be like, I want to go thrifting with you, I want to go thrifting. But number one, like I said, I use that to go by myself because it's therapeutic for me. Number two, when people come with me and they're like, this is taking too long, or you know, I'm ready to go, I haven't found anything, or there's nothing cute in here. Girl, that'd be the quickest way for me to never ask you to tag along me to do anything ever again. This is what I call process of elimination. So you go through everything that you have, and you're like, I want this, I don't want this. This is a no, because I can't even fit my big arm through it. It's cute, right? It's very like cheetah girls, very that. I don't really like this right here. I wish this was lower or something, because this is like a dead giveaway that's the women's. I mean, not that I really care, but, and it's like front and side. That's cute, right? See, when I buy stuff lately, I try to buy stuff that's like mixable. So I'm trying to buy things that are closet staples that I can wear interchangeably with a lot of stuff. And this is not that kind of piece. If it was black, it would be. If it was black or nude, it definitely would be. But this is one of those things that because it's red, girl, I'm gonna wear this, take a picture in it, and it's gonna go in the archives, you know what I'm saying, until next year, or like 2 years from now. This coat is so cute. It looks like, I have another one like this that you guys have seen me wear on my YouTube and my Instagram. This is definitely ToneClassic style. Very much that. Little Old Town Road for your ass. There's like this group of girls like right over here, and they keep staring at me, girl. I'm about to make them sign an NDA. It's like bundles for your clothes, you know? Girl, like I'm kind of into this because I have a pair of cowboy boots that I've never gotten the chance to wear.
Boy,
and
what are you looking at, goddamn?
Made in Mexico. So it's like authentic. This is so cute, okay? I'm gonna have to put this in like a haul video because I can't try this on because I don't feel like taking my shirt off here.
Girl, look. Oh, oh. See, I knew that wasn't gonna fit. I knew it.
Okay, so I cannot wear this off the shoulder because the neckline is not big enough. But I am gonna cut these shoulder pads out because they just give me like 80s lesbian. But I still think this is cute. She got what she needed from the thrift store. And now she's going into Aldi. Listen, you guys need to start going to Aldi, okay? Like I be trying to tell y'all, you guys want to be whole fish. I mean whole girl, Whole Foods fish, girl. You want to serve whole Foods fish, Miss Thing. Girl, when Aldi is gonna give you a nasty, sickening crab leg. Okay, girl, a little, you know, little seafood for your thoughts. You guys, I wish my pants just came undone. I was trying on this shirt that I got from the thrift store today, but literally, like I can barely even move. Like it's so tight on my body because I'm like big, but Isn't it so cute? I just was trying it on to like make sure it fit. And like I'm obsessed with it. Like I kind of want to wear it tonight, but obviously I need to like wash it. But I'm scared to wash it because I don't want to like mess it up. Like I just was trying it on to make sure it fit, and girl, like literally like my arm fat is like busting out of this. If this was just one size bigger, it would be everything. I mean, I'm still gonna shove my big ass into it, but I'm sad, but it's so cute. But I have to get ready to go because Johnny and Jericho have a show tonight, and I told them I would be there. I have to be there by 7:30. It's 6:46. It's 20 minutes away, so we're about to like haul. Girl, at this point, like I already have the shirt on. I need to stretch it out. It's already like stretched out the lace because I was trying to fit it over my big ass head. So girl, I'm just gonna wear the shirt. Like usually, and I always say this, whenever you thrift, girl, always wash the clothes before you wear them. That's just like a rule. This is only one exception because this shirt is like so tight on my body right now that like I think I already put a hole in it. Yeah, girl, I'm wearing the shirt tonight. Like, let's just pray I don't get like contact dermatitis.
This is a look.
It's a look.
Let me take a picture here.
Work puncher.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
How you doing?
We're doing good. Hi.
Hi. Tonight we're serving looks.
We're serving looks tonight, guys.
We're turning walks. I need to take a picture over there because that's
okay.
it. Set that up there.
You need
to take a picture.
Oh, me. Okay.
Should I take the scarf off? Yeah, it's not good. It's class sensation.
Oh, girl, no, you're fine. Ah! Where's my scarf? You have it? Okay. I was like, did I leave it outside? Okay.
This is the blanket, girl.
It is.
Stop!
Girl, no, he didn't know. See?
I mean, they make.
Because I didn't see it.
They make
He didn't know.
like.
Girl, it's a blanket, but it can come off. It can give you scarf.
Right?
It can give you scarf, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tie that up, baby.
It
Tie that up. Tie that up.
It could.
It's like
I be wearing it like a scarf. Girl, I don't even care. Period.
But I live.
no, I live for the
You should have
drama.
had like a fierce ass black scarf.
I should have. I didn't
You
have
should've.
I did, or a fierce white when they matched the coat. I didn't
Yeah.
have either. I'm lacking.
Or bitch, you need some more gold to bring out that gold.
I know.
But I live for this
The top
outfit.
is
It's giving
cute.
you like
Dynasty?
very dynasty, gay dynasty.
You tried it.
Yes.
Gaynasty. It kind of just like came together randomly because I've had this coat for months but never know anywhere to wear it because it's like a dramatic coat. It's a lot to be wearing like to work and stuff. Like it's just not that kind of
Okay,
coat.
let's talk about how is go take it off.
Oh,
You need to keep posting out these
Girl,
videos. You should have been in the show though.
girl, it would have been iconic, but I just kept watching all the choreo. Like I would be f***ing this up. Like I would be messing up.
Girl, you can learn choreography.
But
You danced well, 20.
girl, you guys danced from the entire show.
We dance our entire show.
danced
We're the
every
only people that are in
single
every
number,
number.
but we're the only ones.
Okay, maybe that makes sense.
And you can do that. Just like see,
That's
we
why
need
I
to,
wanted you to join men's was for dancing. Was for
and we need to start teaching him harder moves.
That's why I be trying to push him with pot race and turns and
I feel really attacked.
because you are a dancer. darling.
Okay guys, we have our food. I got a quesadilla. What did you get?
We're sharing, so we have wings, some fries, some mozzarella sticks, some nachos, chicken nachos. Tasty.
Yummy. Do you like it?
It's great.
It's great. So, we're eating. I'm breaking my diet, but it's okay.